Cooking the fully cooked food to improve it. Okay. Once the food is fully cooked, most people consider it's edible. Cooking to the further is not included prohibition of cooking, even if it will become softer and tastier. Therefore, a fully cooked cholent may be removed from the fire on Friday night and returned with condition of Hazara. See chapter 6. We're going to discuss. I'm going to explain with you. Even though the cholent will become better by returning to the fire. Okay, so let's see. So we say, okay, after the food is cooked completely, so we can apply our formula as we said before. There is no cooking after cooking. So if according to most of the people, right, they say, okay, that's edible, that's good, that's it. But even though maybe if they would cook longer, it's going to improve. Not maybe, right? In most of the dishes, it would improve, but there's no problem. So there is no problem. Okay. So an example that they give, what we do, we actually don't eat cholent, but we eat soup. So we have this. No, that's not how we eat soup. Okay, so if we have slow cooker with electronics, but before that we had slow cooker without any electronics, right? So without simple slow cooker, so basically you can take this insert out from when cholent or soup is completely ready, so you can put soup in slow cooker. You can do whatever you want with that, right? You can serve from that pot and put it back into slow cooking again. Close the lid. There is no problem. Even though tomorrow is going to be totally different taste, there is no problem. Okay. So let's see. Number 2, rabbinic. Okay. So this Hazara is laws of returning to the fire. So basically, there are a few conditions. So you have to hold it in your hand. You have to always remember to return it. You cannot return it to the open fire and stuff like that. All this very interesting example conditions.